Modern conflict increasingly occurs in dense urban centers and complex terrain, environments that demand surgical precision rather than the broad application of massive infantry lines. To operate in these high-stakes settings, an operator's equipment must function as more than a collection of tools. It is a synchronized ecosystem designed to maintain control across every range and environment. This ecosystem is built upon the M4A1 carbine, a platform with roots in the lightweight, gas-operated designs first tested in the dense jungles of Vietnam. The modern M4A1 utilizes a modular rail system, allowing for the immediate attachment of specialized optics, suppressors, and lasers to match specific mission requirements. This adaptable primary rifle serves as the mandatory foundation for a unit, providing the reliability required before more specialized platforms are introduced to the squad. However, even the most reliable rifle can become a liability in the narrow confines of a ship's corridor, or when a primary system suffers a catastrophic failure. The MK25 Mod 0 pistol, based on the Sig Sauer P226, is engineered for these moments. It features a specialized anti-corrosion coating on internal components, specifically designed to remain functional during and after maritime infiltration. In this ecosystem, the sidearm functions as a critical last line of defense, intended to provide immediate personal protection while an operator clears a malfunction or transitions to an extraction point. When facing targets equipped with modern body armor and confined spaces, operators turn to the Heckler & Koch MP7. It defines the personal defense weapon concept, balancing the size of a submachine gun with the penetration of a rifle. This comparison shows a standard 9mm pistol round flattening against Kevlar layers, while the 4.6 by 30mm high-velocity round maintains its shape to strike through the same material. The 4.6mm round is engineered to defeat armor while producing minimal recoil. This allows the operator to maintain a compact physical profile and deliver accurate fire in environments where a full-sized carbine is too cumbersome. Success in close quarters requires this trade-off, sacrificing long-range ballistics for the agility and armor-piercing capability necessary to win an engagement in a single room. At the opposite end of the spectrum, operators must solve the problem of enemy forces entrenched behind physical cover or at distances exceeding 300 meters. The MK17 SCAR-H addresses this with the heavy 7.62 by 51mm NATO cartridge. Its short-stroke gas piston system is designed for high reliability, cycling heavy rounds that can punch through barriers that would stop smaller calibers. This capability allows the SCAR-H to bridge the gap between a standard assault rifle and a static sniper rifle, providing heavy firepower without sacrificing the mobility of the squad. When raw volume is required to manage a battlefield, the squad utilizes the MK48 machine gun. It provides the heavy 7.62 NATO output of older, cumbersome systems, but in a frame light enough for foot patrols in rugged terrain. The MK48 specializes in suppressive fire, using high-volume, belt-fed output to physically pin an enemy in place and disrupt their ability to return fire. By forcing an adversary into a defensive posture, these heavy systems allow the rest of the unit to maneuver safely, effectively using caliber and volume to control the geometry of the firefight. Kinetic firearms have limits when an enemy is fortified within a structure. In these cases, a direct line of sight is not enough to neutralize a threat. The M320 grenade launcher introduces 40mm explosive capability to the squad. Its side-loading breech is a key innovation, allowing it to chamber a wider variety of ammunition lengths than previous systems. This flexibility moves beyond high explosives to include smoke for concealment and illumination for night operations, giving the squad localized tools to manipulate visibility on the fly. Providing a mobile unit with these localized explosive area denial capabilities allows them to overcome fortified obstacles that would otherwise stall in advance. The effectiveness of these platforms rely on their integration. Technical specifications only matter when they are layered within a synchronized tactical network. In practice, a Mark 48 establishes a base of fire to pin an enemy, creating the window for M4A1 and SCAR-H operators to maneuver and secure flanking positions. As the environment compresses into a breach, the MP7 and MK25 provide the speed for room clearing, while the M320 is used to neutralize any remaining hardened points of resistance. This overlapping coverage ensures the squad has a viable response for every distance and lighting condition, reducing the blind spots inherent in unpredictable combat environments. This meticulously engineered web of tools is designed to address the specific variables of modern combat, providing the diverse capabilities a unit needs to maintain its momentum in the most volatile environments.